If you want to hide your TikTok account from your phone contacts so they can't find you, you can do so by adjusting the privacy settings on your TikTok. So today we are here with step-by-step guide on how you can achieve it. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three lines or gear icon in the top right to access settings and privacy. Now, once you are inside the settings and privacy, go to privacy option available there. Once inside privacy, tap on the sync contacts or Facebook friends option available there. Once you tap on it, make sure to toggle off sync contacts to prevent TikTok from accessing and matching your phone contacts. If contacts were already synced, tap remove previously synced contacts to clear all the data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.